Put lemon and salt on your face. You'll hallucinate with the results. Blackheads can become a nightmare, especially if we are prone to have them. People think blackheads are just a teenage problem, but they are not. Some mature skin also suffers. Fat skins suffer even more when summer comes, so prevention and proper cleaning are critical to avoiding them and to eliminate those that have already appeared. But the same thing happens with spots on the face. It is inevitable to have them, but they are very ugly. We will try to prevent these spots, and also to eliminate them. Ingredients: 1. A lemon cut in half. 2. Hot water. 3. A cloth for the face. 4. A little salt. You will never have to buy strips of pores again. This remedy not only eliminates blackheads, but also gives your face a bright and fresh look. You can repeat this process, but only after a period of time, say after 2 weeks. Step 1. To start, you must moisten your skin. For this you grab a towel for the face. It is very important to have the towel that only serves to clean your face, since the bacteria are transmitted through the towels, and wetted with hot water. Then, with a damp cloth, cover your face to open the pores a little. This helps the scrub clean better. Now, take 1/2 of the lemon and express it to extract all the juice from it. Then sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of salt on top of the lemon. Then, take the other half of the lemon and squeeze your juice in the first half. Step 2. Now, start applying the lemon and salt scrub on the face, especially in the most affected areas, such as the nose, chin and forehead, in a circular way. Avoid the eye area. Step 3. To finish, with the help of the hot and damp cloth, removes the exfoliating scraps from your face. And that's it. Now you are ready for anything. This natural scrub is